Natalie is incredibly driven and achieved a first in her degree. She has done us all so proud. But it's not her achievements that make me most proud of Natalie, it's the young woman she has become. Natalie is the kindest hearted person I know. She always thinks of others ahead of herself. She is generous, thoughtful, caring. The list could go on. Matthew has chosen well, and I have no doubt you will have a lifetime of happiness together and that Natalie will always look after you due to her compassionate nature.
Oh, you're lovely.
Good cry. Oh, that guy.
I, Matthew Stewart Anthony Tatnall,
take you, Natalie Patricia Branton,
take you, Natalie Patricia Branton,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
Matt, I give you this ring
As a sign of our love,
as a sign of our love.
I promise to be faithful,
I promise to be faithful,
loving and loyal,
loving and loyal,
for always,
for always,
to cherish you
to cherish you
through good times and bad,
through good times and bad,
and to respect and honour you.
and to respect and honour you.
And it gives me enormous pleasure to declare to the world that you are now indeed husband and wife. You may share a first married kiss. We'll all clap and cheer.
You're the most amazing person in the world, and today you've made me the luckiest man in the world to be marrying you. You support me when I'm at my lows, you help me become a better man and a better person. I love spending time with you, if it's going out or staying in and binge watching our programmes. I enjoyed every moment planning this wedding with you.
For both of you, like for myself and Kat, like you two are unbelievable to our children, so we couldn't want any like sort of better uncles and aunties, and obviously they both absolutely adore you, which is amazing.
I'm excited for what the future will bring you all. So here's to the Tanners and their future. Cheers, everyone.
You're honestly the most wonderful person. You're kind, loving, caring, and you really are my best friend and now wife. I love our little family we built together, but no, that doesn't mean you can have another dog. I love you so much and can't wait for us to continue our journey as husband and wife now.